What's up, what's up, what's up, you guys? This is SkinnyBoyRandy. Hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, and prosperous day. Today, I just want to give you my opinion on this Jiffy Greenhouse Professional 50s PEAT Pellet Kit. Yeah, y'all. I don't like it, I don't like it, I don't like it. Okay. I got about 5 PEAT pellets that really germinated according to their instructions. I did everything they said to do. And about 5 of the pellets germinated. Then the rest of them just kind of went by the left, to the left, all the way around the corner, back around the corner. And I don't like them. I don't like them. So what I've done is I got all my old containers out of the greenhouse, sterilized my soil. I'm using some of the Dollar Tree seed starter mix and the Jiffy mix mixed together with boiling hot water. Let it cool down. Fill my pots up. Thumb pack them down one good time, refill them, and I put 2 seeds in each cell. And this time I'm doing 1 type of plant per 4. At first we were working on like a little small scale, putting different ones, y'all. With things going on in the world, I think we may need more of the same type of varieties, okay? And this is also going along with our succession planning. I love you guys, you're the best. So we got some Chinese 5 peppers going on over here, some Craig's jalapeno, California Golden Wonder. And I hope you guys are staying safe, washing your hands, and just not going out if you don't have to. I had to go with a friend to surgery today. Thank God. Pulled through that. All is well. God is good. Thank you, Lord. And yeah, I got some okra, some cubanella peppers, some more yellow sweet onions, some squash, zucchini, more like 4 different types of cucumber. Yeah. And I put them all in the same type of tray this time, so everything's very uniform. These are the larger containers with the cucumbers, zucchini, and all that because they grow really, really fast. The cucumbers and the zucchini and squash, stuff like that, grows really, really fast. So I put these in the big containers. And these okra, they're going to get huge. And I planted plenty of those, so I can transport them outside, and we'll have plenty of okra. We love okra around here. So yeah, you guys, I'm using that tray from the Jiffy starter kit. I took the pellets that were good out and put them over in the other container. And I'm going to start these off today. And I love you. Thanks for being here. Very short, quick video. Hope you're blessed and highly favored today. So yep, we're starting them off with just some Jiffy natural and organic seed starter mix mixed with the Dollar Tree All-American seeds. So there you have it, you guys. I love you. You're the best. Remember, live, love, laugh, grow stuff, and eat it. Now is the time, you guys. Coronavirus is real. I hope you're staying safe. I love you. You're the best. Don't forget, click like and subscribe. Share the video.